Ledger Nano X pricing explained what you get for your money. Ledger Nano X is a hardware wallet designed for secure crypto storage, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's just a USB device. The surprising truth is that its value extends beyond hardware, combining security, mobility, and ecosystem integration. The device itself costs around $2, which includes firmware updates and Ledger Live software for managing multiple cryptocurrencies. Ledger Live is free and allows users to buy, sell, stake, and track crypto without exposing private keys. Most people underestimate the importance of this integrated management system when evaluating value. Ledger Nano X also connects via Bluetooth, allowing mobile access while keeping private keys offline. This protects against hacks that target software wallets or exchanges. Backup and recovery features, like a 24-word recovery phrase, add another layer of security for long-term storage. The surprising truth is that while it may seem high for a wallet, the cost is minimal compared to potential losses from hacks. For instance, storing zero worth of crypto safely with Ledger prevents exposure to phishing attacks, malware, or exchange collapses. Over time, this security easily justifies the price. In conclusion, Ledger Nano X is more than a hardware wallet, it's a full security ecosystem. With mobile support, multi-asset management, and strong backup features, it provides peace of mind for serious crypto holders. Understanding the pricing relative to security and usability highlights the real value you get for your money.